Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a backup, so start there. Once done, confirm whether the Mac has a T2 chip or Apple Silicon because steps differ. Make sure you know the admin password. You will use it to unlock firmware or recovery. Now restart into recovery. On Intel, hold Command-R. On Apple Silicon, hold the power button until options appear. This initial move takes you straight into the tools that let you change secure boot settings, so proceed immediately. Once in recovery, open Utilities and pick Startup Security Utility. This is where Safe Boot and Secure Boot live. You'll be asked to authenticate. Enter the admin credentials to unlock options. For Intel Macs with T2, set Secure Boot to no security or reduce security and enable external boot if required. On Apple Silicon, use startup options to allow external or unsigned kernels. Make the change deliberately. Lower security only if you trust the software and know why you need it. After changing settings, restart the Mac and test by booting the intended drive. Hold Option on Intel or use startup options on Apple Silicon to pick it. Once booted, verify the secure boot status in System Information under Software to confirm the change. If the Mac won't start or peripherals fail, reset NVRAM/SMC Intel or run Apple Diagnostics. If problems persist, return to recovery and reinstall Mac OS. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves boot conflicts after lowering security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.